Hello students, welcome to class. Today we're going to be looking at the comment section of the video that I posted about circumcision. Don't forget, humans are animals too, so we're also going to be defending them.
Does it make you sad to know that some people hurt animals? If so, subscribe. Stay with us. You're already vegan at heart.
Now in my video, I am talking about how circumcision of baby boys should be illegal. Here's a comment that I wrote. Never circumcise your kids because you, quote, want them to look like their father. I kid you not, some people have told me that that is the reason that they have cut their child, because they want his penis to look like his father's penis. That's completely fucked up. Why do fathers want their boys to have the same penis as them? If they do, then why not just cut off their own penis so it's smaller?
If aliens came to Earth and really wanted to eat you, would you say, no problem, and let them take a bite out of your mom and dad too? If you wouldn't want aliens to hurt you, then leave the animals alone. Don't eat them, don't wear them, don't use them, or take over their home. Leave the animals the fuck alone.
Angela, vegan supporter, writes, good people are striving to be as vegan as possible. And then she puts all of these different decorations there. That's cool. What's this? Read more. Which also means not to cut baby boy body parts. Okay, they're very good. Excellent. Put a little heart on there and a thumbs up. Circumcision is child abuse and should be illegal. Circumcision is genital mutilation. It's the amputation of healthy, sensitive genital tissue from a child who cannot resist or escape. If this were done to any other body part, we'd call it what it is, child abuse. This is why more and more boys are growing up to sue their parents and doctors for having done this barbaric thing to them. Just as it's wrong to pin down baby boys to cut them without consent, it's also wrong to pin down animals and cut them. Being vegan means not exploiting anyone. The foreskin has purpose. Just like eyelids and fingertips, it protects, lubricates, and enhances pleasure later in life. Cutting off a baby's foreskin without medical need is violence. Anyone who pays for this or participates in doing this should be sent to prison. Religion or culture is no excuse to harm anyone either. No religion, tradition, or belief system should have the power to cut into a baby's body. We would never allow someone to burn or hit or cut a child in the name of the religion. So why is this still being tolerated? Be better. Be vegan. This person is a team member of mine. I work with her in a pod. Let's go to the next comment that she writes. Plants have protein. Quinoa, lentils, chickpeas, spinach, broccoli, almonds, chia seeds, tofu, and black beans. Very good examples. Nothing controversial there. Let's give that a little thumbs up as well. Here's a comment from somebody who writes, go eat a burger. I responded, as long as the burger you're eating is vegan, that's no problem. We don't have a problem with burgers. We have a problem with oppressing innocent animals who have never done a single thing wrong to us ever.
Why are there dead bodies here? Is this a cemetery? Why are there so many corpses here? Where is everyone's empathy? Why is there so much death in the store? Why do you think you need to buy it? Why is there so much death? Is this a morgue? Is it time to be vegan? Is it time to try it? Why are there dead bodies here? Is this a cemetery? Why are there so many corpses here? Where is everyone's empathy? Being vegan is healthy for all ages, and yes, even our dogs can be vegan too. Please can we walk away from this place of death? Please can we try something new? Vegan kibble for your dog. You can Google vegan recipes too. there dead bodies here? Is this a cemetery? Why are there so many corpses here? Where is everyone's empathy? Why is there so much death in the store? Why do you think you need to buy it? Why is there so much death? Is this a bore?
I don't understand people. I don't understand the entitlement of people.
Is it time to be vegan? Is it time to try it? Yes, it's time to try it.
Someone writes, it takes 100 clicks to become vegan. This means it takes 100 little oh my god moments where you realize how horribly the animals are treated, and that being vegan is a moral emergency. Excellent. Good work. Next person writes, be vegan for the animals and for the planet. Perfect. Amazing. Here we seem to have a repetition of the other one, so let's just remove that. Boink. Richard writes, religion is the root of all evil, just people playing God, and go vegan for life. So my suggestion here is that the first sentence makes sense. Religion is the root of all evil. I would put a period here, and then I would start the sentence by saying, it seems like people are playing God, period, and then go vegan for life. Anyway, there's some problems with punctuation here, Richard. These are maybe 2 or 3 sentences that are kind of put into one, so I would fix that up. Here there's also a punctuation problem. It says their flesh, there should be a comma there, their bodies, comma, their lives, and then maybe a dash, not ours, something like that. But thank you for being vegan.
Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray!
Here's a comment by That Chip Guy. Miss Katie, your passion is truly inspiring. It's amazing to see someone so committed to spreading awareness about the injustice animals face. Keep doing what you're doing. The world needs more voices like yours. Excellent. Thanks a lot, Chip. Really appreciate you.
Being vegan is like trying to rescue drowning animals, desperately pulling them out of the water one by one, and having your family, friends, and everyone around you throwing them back in.
This person writes, being vegan doesn't solve every problem. That's true. It doesn't solve every problem, but it solves a vast majority of them. And the world doesn't revolve around you. My video is literally about innocent baby boys who are being circumcised, cut against their will. My videos are always about victims. My videos are not about me. So I'm not sure why you're writing this, but it seems to me like you don't really understand my channel or care to be here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove you. Let's hide you from the channel, since you don't seem to be able to understand what's going on here.
That vegan teacher is reminding Li Ming that all the birds on our planet have a right to live and sing. They have a right to keep their freedom, wings and legs. They have a right to keep their feathers, their babies and their eggs. All good people are vegan, they're not racist or speciesist.
This person thinks that I hate myself. Could be right in some ways. I'm very upset that I used to eat animals, but I'm not upset at what I'm doing right now. So again, these people, if they don't seem to understand what's going on, they just are not able to be smart enough to be here.
That vegan teacher is reminding Jamal that he should stay vegan and continue to stand tall, and that no matter whether we're young or old, all vegans should continue to be bold, because speciesism is the first form of racism, and both of these are wrong. So share this song.
This person seems to be on purpose trying to spam things that are dead animal body parts. So let's also hide this person. This means that they can keep commenting, but nobody else will ever see their comments. This person named Peter would prefer to never see vegan content again, and that's no problem. We can absolutely arrange that. If you're not ready to hear the message that being vegan is the right thing to do for the planet, for your health, and for the animals, goodbye. See you never.
Wash away your old life, be vegan today. Jump into your new life, it's the only way. Wash away your old life, be vegan today. Welcome to heaven on earth. Happy Vegan Declaration Day.
Here's another example of somebody who's too stupid to be here. Castration is bad, but you still promote it. I'm literally saying that it is bad, and I do not promote it. Sorry that you're having trouble. Go somewhere else. I can't teach you if you don't have enough brain cells. Bye. This person writes, "This is the end of you." And you know what? He's absolutely right. This will be the end of me. You will never have the opportunity to interact with me again. I will never see your comments. You'll see my videos, but I won't see whatever it is that you want to say. This person says, "You're so weird." Probably true, but I don't really have anything to comment there. This person says, "I'm glad to meet you," thinks it's funny to put a dead body part on the screen. Let's remove this person too. Trying to be funny with using dead animal body parts is not funny. Bye. This person can't think for themselves, simply responding to a cruel comment. So let's remove this person too. You are welcome to comment here as long as you are saying positive things or trying to engage people in an interesting discussion. Otherwise, you're not welcome here. Stella writes, "Speciesism is the first form of racism that you were taught. If you're against cruelty and racism, you should not be eating or using animals. Watch Dominion Movement on YouTube before commenting." Thank you, Stella. Excellent job. Boink. This person wrote, "People who only came to roast her." Okay, I'm not sure why you think it's funny to make fun of people who are defending animals and innocent babies from being cut, but if that's why you're here, well, this isn't the place for you. This is a place for you to come if you're interested in learning. If you want to come back, you can make a new account and start over and try to be a better person from now on. Here we have another idiot who writes, "Why you like abortion? I don't like abortion. When it's like circumstances." Okay, sorry you don't have a grasp of the language, but let's remove you as well. Let's remove just this comment. Remember to use proper spelling and clear sentences when communicating here. By the way, I want to say thank you to Brutal Vegan here, and he also has a friend named Jet Set Vegan who are in vegan pods with me and helping me on a regular basis in the comment section. Really appreciate all the great work you guys are doing. Here's another comment by the Brutal Vegan, which writes, "Unfun fact. Every year, hundreds of babies die from circumcision. This is not only happening in poor countries, but also in the USA and other nations. Thank you for this information." Somebody here wrote, "Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you," to which Stella responded, "It's not my Vegan Declaration Day today, but I know that somewhere in the world it is," meaning somebody else is having their Vegan Declaration Day. Somewhere else in the world, somebody has decided to become vegan today. And the person responds, "Cool. So this is a nice conversation. Good job, everyone." Boop. Woohoo.
Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do. Woo-hoo. Eating eggs is so last century, nobody needs to, so here's what you do. Mash tofu, green onions, and celery in a pan. Add black salt, turmeric, and spices, yes you can. Mix in some vegan mayo. Mix in some vegan mayo. Now mix in a salty pickle. Yeah, that's the way to go. Oh, ooh. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do. Woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, 'cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal Holocaust history. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal Holocaust history. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do. Woo-hoo. Learn how to make it 'cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too.
This person wrote, "Girl, no one cares." Well, first of all, please don't address me that way. My name is Miss Katie. Here's how I responded. Obviously, you care, or you wouldn't be here. It takes 100 clicks to become vegan. Each time you come here with an open heart and an open mind, you will learn something new and eventually get your 100 clicks. If, however, you're not ready to learn and you're just a cruel person, then you're free to leave at any time. If you want to stay, I suggest that instead of writing something negative, that you write 10 vegan foods that you ate this week. This will get your mind to think positively and will teach you that you can contribute in a way that is helpful. Make your choice carefully about how you will conduct yourself from now on. If you continue to be negative, you will be removed from commenting in the future.
What's my address on Instagram? It's thatveganteacher, Miss Katie. No dots, no underscores, just like that. Thatveganteacher, Miss Katie.
As soon as you start a sentence like this, you will immediately be removed. You're writing that circumcision reduces STIs and infection chances. Yeah, so does washing yourself. You can just wash your penis. You don't have to cut it off. I mean, the logic here would be the same as saying, well, let's cut off every teenager's breasts to make sure that she doesn't get cancer. It just makes no sense. So I just removed you from the channel. If you think the Twin Towers fell because I'm speaking out on the rights of little boys to not be forcefully circumcised by Jewish people or by Muslim people, I think you've got something wrong with your head. This person says, get out? No problem. We can help you to do that. Here we go. Bye. Now you're out.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.